Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I always start off talking with my hands. But, okay, so welcome back to my channel. I kind of have to explain myself. But I have been absent on YouTube for about 5 to 6 months. Which is kind of crazy because I still frequently check like my YouTube and I look at it and I'm like, man, I'm not posting anymore, man, this is so depressing, man. And then I look at it and I'm like, how am I even still gaining like subscribers? Like from when I stopped posting my videos 5 months ago, like I was at like 50 something and then I stopped posting and I've gained like 50 subscribers. I'm at like 102. Like how did we reach 100 like that? Like some people have like 10 million subscribers on YouTube and then there's me over here who's like, oh my god, we reached 100 subscribers, that's so cool. And I'm like thinking to myself, why? What have they seen in the last 5 months that was actually that enjoyable? Like I just post videos that I think I like and that I want to like share with the world. So I'm glad that 102 of you like the same thing. That is pretty freaking cool. But anyway, on toward the explanation of why I haven't been here. That is because I've literally been mentally freaking exhausted. Like 5 months ago, like work just started picking up. We moved out of our office. We're now in this huge giant office with like 50 million zillion people. It's just not the small tiny little office that we were in before, which is really sad. And with that came like a whole bunch of drama. It came like just a whole bunch of garbage, unnecessary garbage. Luckily we were all like able to stay together, which is great. But it's just been like a struggle with that move. Like it's been since April, May, June, July, so that was 3 months ago. So I stopped like a few months before that, and at that time I was posting like not as many makeup videos because I was trying to focus really hardcore on my weight loss, because like I'm going to split this video into 2 parts. I'm going to talk about the weight loss part, and then I'm going to talk about just like this part right here, which is why I stopped posting. But I'll give you a little hint into the weight loss part. Since I started my weight loss in January 2018, I've lost a total of 42 pounds. So that's all I'm going to say on that for now. But it has just been a lot. Like I've been physically exhausted with that. I've been mentally exhausted there. Like my boyfriend started a new job, so I'm not constantly here anymore with him because he is working most of the time. So like the time that I do have like alone with him, and I'm here to like be able to film, I don't want to film because I want to just be with him, because I want that time. Like that's the only time I'm going to have. I only get it 2 days a week. So that is basically the reason for that. It has nothing to possibly do with YouTube at all. I want to keep posting videos on YouTube. I want to keep doing YouTube because I love just sharing things that I love with you guys. So yeah, and I want to just dive into more makeup and everything like that. So many things have come out that I want to purchase, but then again, I'm also broke. I'm a broke girl. I work in the medical field, and people who work in the medical field, if you're in a position that I am, we don't make very much money. So it's limited resources, but I just wanted to come on here to say that I miss doing this. I feel so good to do this right now. I am going to make a huge list of videos that I want to do Like I said, this video is going to be in 2 parts, but I just felt like because my absence from YouTube has been for such a long period of time, yet I was still gaining subscribers at that time. Like, I'm at 102, and to me that just like fills my like entire soul. Like, holy crap, I haven't posted in like 5 months and 102 of you have subscribed to my channel when I haven't even posted. Like, to me that says something to me. It was kind of like a sign to me, like, wow, like people are actually watching your videos and they'll probably return to watch more, and maybe they want to like know and are interested what you're fucking saying. So maybe I should keep posting and keep doing what I love doing. I love making videos. I love editing videos. I love creating content that is entertainable. I love being myself in a way, because usually on a day-to-day basis I can't be, because I live in such a professional world. I can't just be that girl who has a sailor mouth and wants to talk about makeup and do hair and, you know, review products and try different face masks and you know, try different face cleansers and hair products. And, you know, I could review the gel that I have in my hair right now and it sucks so bad, but I really just want to keep getting into that, because that is like just like such a fun thing to do, and I love doing it. I've never really found something that I love doing, other than, you know, health and fitness. That's probably another one thing that I really love to do and that I'm pretty focused on right now. And it's definitely I've definitely made a lifestyle change with that. So yeah, I did not leave because I don't want to stop, because I cannot speak, because, okay, I did not leave because I want to stop YouTube. I didn't even leave on purpose. I was just exhausted from, you know, work and the move and the drama and blah 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 blah. It was just unnecessary, unprofessionalism, and, you know, it's getting better. Everything has been taken care of in that sense, so I'm getting happier with that in my day-to-day 9 to 5, 8 to 4:30 technically job. So yeah, that's getting better, which means I'm feeling better. You know, it has nothing to do with like me hating on YouTube, or like, because I know there's a lot of like controversy about YouTube within the past like 6 months. So much has changed, but, you know, I really don't care. I mean, I care about like the rules and regulations on YouTube and the terms and conditions and just all that stuff that's going on. I do care, but what I care about more is just doing what I love on YouTube, and that's posting videos about the things that I like doing. So that's just as simple as I'm gonna keep it for now. But I wanted to really just say thank you for getting me to 100 freaking subscribers. 102 actually. Can't forget about the other 2 peeps. But yeah, like, I can't believe I reached 102 and I haven't posted in 5 months. Like, if I was subscribing or wanted to subscribe, I probably would be like, is she ever even gonna post again? Like, but I do want to keep posting. I love doing this. This feels great just sitting here right now and doing this. So I'm mentally getting back into a happier state of mind, and I never wanted to film when I was like tired or mad about my day or anything like that, but I've learned to not be mad about the day. Like, it's more energy to hate on the day than it is to just be positive about the day. And don't get me wrong, I have spells where I just which is bad about me because I have spells in me where if something doesn't go right, or I think something is just so unprofessional, or it doesn't meet my standards, I am literally ready to just drop everything, walk out the door, and be done with it. And that's not cool. I have to work on that. But I am lucky because I have, you know, my rock, Gonzalo, who's been with me through hell and back. We have definitely been through hell and back, more than 1,000,000 times, but there's nothing really we can't get through. So everything is, you know, always gonna get worked out no matter what. So I have significant hope for the future in many, many, many aspects that include my relationship and my job and my hobby, which is YouTube. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am here, I'm alive. I will keep posting. I'm gonna keep posting. I need to figure out like a schedule of when I want to keep posting or what I want to post, because there's just so many things that I have in mind. There's going to be a part 2 to this video, like I said. That's going to be the weight loss update. I really want to talk to you guys about that. So that is coming your way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I'm so happy to be sitting here right now and doing this again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm so thankful for all 102 of you that have subscribed. Maybe you even forgot that you subscribed, or you accidentally subscribed, but that's okay. I love you all anyway. So yeah, just thank you for subscribing, and I will see you guys in part 2, my next video. Bye.